It's the most jam-packed and intensive salsa dance class you'll ever experience. Over 6 hours of video lessons that teach the basic steps and then guides you through more complicated salsa dance patterns. In minutes, you will cover the foundations and be ready to dance some of the most popular salsa moves. Step-by-step salsa video dance instruction presented in an easy-to-follow, fun, social and energetic way. 3 different teachers covering 4 styles of salsa dancing: Cali Style, Cuban Casino Style, New York Mambo Style and the popular Miami Style. Suitable for both beginners and intermediate dancers as well as men and women routines. Their video lessons are various difficulty levels. We cover every aspects of what salsa is all about. Master the fundamentals of salsa with timing and footwork, step-by-step instruction on how to get fun salsa patterns going. All lessons introduces a sequence of steps, drills them individually and as a combination, and then puts them to music. With the unique, state-of-the-art multiple angle feature, it gives you the ability to watch lessons from 3 different views. You get a complete 360 view in every lesson. To get salsa dancing courses or to see a complete review, click on the link that appears in the description below this video.